Hello CA Final students planning to give attempt in May 25. So I have received many messages that sir please give a clear plan along with timetable and targets about how we are supposed to go for May 25 attempt. Obviously now the self-study mode has begun and I have had conversations with various categories of students. Students who have their first attempt in May 25, students who did not make it in November 24, and I'm so sure that you will make it in May 25. Students who are going for office, students who are already married and still preparing for chartered accountancy. Full respect to you guys. All right. So I've analyzed all of this and I've come up with one uniform plan that can be used by all of you. I'm giving you one schedule, but obviously schedules can differ based upon your personal commitments and personal routines. My video will be in simple English so that students across the country can understand, because we have a large student base in South India also. So obviously I will keep one uniform language. Now in this planner, why you can trust me, that enough evidence is there on my YouTube channel and the documented feedbacks. So I will not talk more on that. But I'll just come straight to the planner. So in this planner, which I've already uploaded on my Telegram channel, which you can see in the description of this video also. Now I've given you entire timetable, the sequence in how you're supposed to prepare, and broadly what is the time that you should give to each topic. And I've given some remarks with respect to each topic. There are two different types of approach that students can adopt. One is piecemeal approach. The piecemeal approach means little you want to study on daily basis and you cannot study the entire subject for the entire day. My personal approach is I recommend piecemeal approach. And then second, one shot approach for audit subject, where you will give around 12 hours per day for 12 days. So obviously these are the number of hours and stuff that you should give for your self-study. Now there are different categories of students who are just pending with group 1, or students who are pending with only FR and audit and AFM exempt or something like that. I've thought about everyone, all right, and then I'm coming to this plan. So first of all, you decide the approach that you want. Now, all of you, no matter whichever category you belong to, all of you will finish your first study by 15th or 16th March properly, and then from 16th March onwards till 31st March, your next phase will begin. Then from 5th April to 9th April, all right, I have another phase. And then from April 10 to April 25th, I have another phase. Okay. So these are the different phases of studies that I have planned. So till 15th March, you have flexibility. Either you adopt a piecemeal approach where you will study daily little bit, or you can just study audit subject one shot and finish it off. However, the basic plan is that you will attempt my test series, which will be free for all. Yes. Where I will arrange online test series, Zoom live you can attend, and live, under live supervision you can write. For the students who have enrolled with me, they can come to my classes in Mumbai, Andheri, sit over here and attempt the test series, and I will arrange the supervision for you, don't worry. So my simple funda is that few topics, one test, few topics, another test, few topics, one more test. Similarly, if you see the entire table, all right, then I have arranged around 7 unit tests. Each unit test will be of 30 marks, where 10 marks approx will be MCQ and 20 marks will be descriptive. For some papers where I know some topics which are their favorite for descriptive, I may ask the entire paper in the descriptive form. That will be flexible based upon my judgment. Papers will be set by me personally, like how I had done for November 24. And papers, I will give the suggested answers with marking scheme as a public document. So you will understand that, okay, on this point I will get these many marks, on that point I will get these many marks. For the students who have enrolled with me, they can come to my live Zoom doubt solving sessions, which will begin in the February 1st or 2nd week. All right, and which will be done at least 3 or 4 times in a week. And you can come to the live doubt solving sessions and get your papers corrected. As simple as that. Okay. Now, everyone over here, if you see, this is the sequence that I want you to follow. Sir, what is this essay basics? For students who know me, they know that I first teach some essay basics, alright, and then I start with standards. So the essay basic syllabus, I've made it even public. So essay basic syllabus, if you are my student, you already have the notes. If you're not my students, then I also teach that in the revision videos, but you should know some basic concepts, alright, before you begin with standards. Then I've given some standards over here, and I've also written some main important topics that you are supposed to revise from each standard. If you are my student, you already have the videos and the notes and stuff with you. If you are not my student, anyways, if you're looking at this video, then you are my student, my dear. But if you are not my student enrolled with me, then in that case, I have uploaded lots and lots of revision videos. Even though if the revision video is of 2 years back, 3 years back, you can still see it because the standards remain the same as of now. Till the point NFRA comes out with something new, which is going on. Maybe till November 26, May 27 or so, it will come up. Okay. So as of now, May 25, relax. Okay, you can rely on my old revision videos also for these topics. Whichever revision video you feel that you want to see, you can see it, not a problem. Videos are there in Hindi English mix also, videos are there in English also. Alright, I'm trying to increase my video library, so don't worry about it. So this is the sequence that you're going to follow. Alright, I have written the topic, the time, minutes, the remarks, everything, and lots of analysis has been done over here. Okay. Please, at least once, at least one time. Alright, for the first study, please don't leave anything in option. That is one request. So as you will see, I will first ask you to revise the standards. Alright, and then I'll put professional ethics and other topics over here. Weightage PDF. Harek topic, for every topic, what is the weightage? It is already there on the ICI website, weightage PDF. I have shared it on my Telegram channel also. My humble request, I am joining hands and requesting you that please do not straight away start leaving topics in option. If you have problems like, sir, what to do in this topic, sir, that topic I'm not able to do properly. This video, the comment box of this video will be my guidance, will be the guidance counseling box also, where you can type your problems and I will try to reply everyone, alright, regarding the topics. Problems means not personal problems, the topic related, that sir, this topic, that topic, I'm facing so and so issues, and I will try my level best to tell you what needs to be done. So the comment box of this particular video will turn out to be a guidance box for everyone. So it will be a public guidance box, okay, for publicly available for CA final students. 15th March onwards, I mean 16th March to be specific, because I've counted the test, so I think it will end on 15th March. So 16th March onwards, you will revise audit daily for 45-60 minutes, and over there you will focus more on non-essay small chapters and critical essays which you found difficult during your first study. Alright. Then from 5th April to 9th April, that period, you will ensure that you give to audit subject 5 days, 12 hours, 60 hours. Alright. And I have given over there that what are the points that you are supposed to cover. Time to time, I will keep on issuing videos. Don't worry about it, about the critical concepts. From May 25 onwards, I am starting one more thing, that whatever are the regular course and fast track course videos that I take, from that some critical concepts which I feel that students are not doing properly since so many attempts I'm observing, I will be publicly giving those concepts on my YouTube channel also. Alright, so that time to time you keep on revising things. So if I upload some videos, please go through those videos. Alright, it could be 15-20 minutes concept bites, okay, which will clear out your critical concepts. Then from 10th April onward till 25th, you will give only 30 minutes, but it has to be a power-packed session where you are sitting with the subject and, no distraction, nothing, 30 minutes, alright. You will just hear my revision lectures, revision videos once, alright, and just try to recollect the concept, okay. Then obviously exam day strategy, paper writing tips and stuff, I will upload in a separate video. These are the links that will help you. MCQs, I already have one MCQ book which I had issued for November 24 attempt. In May 25, we are revising the MCQ book. Still, if you want, that MCQ book of May 25 will be available maybe by 2nd week or 3rd week of January. Still, if you want, you can buy my existing MCQ book from my app, The Audit Academy. And, we are going to issue amendment PDF also to that. So a corrigendum kind of stuff, page number, point number and all of that. So you can just, that PDF we will issue publicly on Telegram also. So you can just incorporate that and finish it off if you don't want to wait for the May 25 MCQ book. Now in May 25 attempt, there is a big thing that we need to notice. So there are some amendments in May 25 attempt, and chapter wise amendment list I have given over here, which is given by the ICI. I really respect the ICI for developing material in this manner. and which has been made publicly available. I have uploaded on my Telegram channel also. Some most sensitive amendments are, they have added lots of practice questions at the end of the chapter, almost in all the chapters, which is nothing but a cut copy paste of your May 24, November 24 attempt, RTP, MTPs and all of that. Okay. And then what we see is SA 800 series, which was anyways expected that it will be revised. So that has been revised. Not a lot of amendments, but it will be done easily. For that also I will issue new revision videos. So SA 800 series, don't focus on my old revision videos. Then audit of banks and NBFC, you cannot focus on old revision videos if any. Alright, because there is going to be some revision which I will upload in English and Hindi separately. So everyone will be able to easily understand that. Don't worry about it. Then the next change, what major change we see is in professional ethics, which is about CA logo, which obviously it was supposed to be updated. But the most sensitive changes are the decisions of ethical standard board, which they have updated over here. And obviously I will make it public for you. So don't worry about it. Okay. So these are the amendments and practice questions which we need to be careful about when it comes to May 25. I am developing a full amendment PDF for you, and I will be explaining those amendments quickly, and you will be, very well briefed about it. So don't worry. My humble request is that you please give this 7-unit test and then the mock test paper of the ICAI. If you don't do writing practice, you will not clear. Let me be very specific about it. Only few students without any writing practice are able to clear. You can ask the students who have cleared earlier that only and only if they give some test, some mock test papers, some writing practice, then it will be done. So Sunday to Sunday, I will be conducting test series just to give you a schedule, a broad schedule over here. Yeah. Then in that case, we will start from 2nd February. So you see the Sundays, all right. So 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd. Then we have 2nd March. My God, my wife's birthday. I'll convince her. Then we have 9th March. And then we have 16th March. Okay. So 7-unit test will be spread like this. Now let us say if you have already done the studies, then revise once for 2-3 hours and give the test. But please, my humble request, please give the test. Okay. If there is any further suggestion from your side, I am a professor who is very progressive and very open to suggestion. I don't have a professor ego that I am teaching since so many years and stuff. No. Whatever I am it is because of you. If you have certain suggestions or something, you can type it in the comment box. All right, just be respectful in your comments. Okay. And I will for sure incorporate it if required. Okay. Students, forget about whatever has happened in your life till now. These last 4 months will matter. And I am so sure that you will take a New Year resolution. I am uploading this video in 2024. You will give your exams in 2025. New Years are approaching, and I am so sure that you will take a New Year resolution, which you are going to follow for sure. And May 25, we will convert it into must 25. All right. All the best, beta. All the best. I will be waiting for you soon with that thrill that, sir, I'm a chartered accountant, and sir, let's party. And I will party hard with you. Thank you so much.